Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a very exciting video for you guys, a video that I have been waiting a very long time to film here on my channel because I wanted to give you guys a very in-depth review. And as you can tell by the title, this is going to be a Wish app haul slash review. So I know there is a lot of controversy on the Wish app. I know a lot of people say don't buy from there, they steal your money. A lot of other people say, oh, they're great. So I'm here to give you like an in-depth, honest review. I have purchased many times and I've purchased many things off the Wish app, so I'm here to give a full and solid review today on what I think of them and if I really do think that they are worth your time and money. So let's go ahead and begin. Excuse the way I look. I had a very busy Monday at work today, so it is very much showing on my face. So hopefully I don't look too run down, but I am feeling very, very tired. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. The very first thing that I want to show you guys is a clothing item that I got off Wish. And this is an item that a lot of you have asked me where I've got it from, and it was bought off the Wish app. Now, I just want to say as a disclaimer before anyone goes on the Wish app and just starts ordering things, I do want to say the only time I buy from the Wish app is if I have money in my PayPal account. I have never once used a credit card or a debit card on the Wish app. I have always just used PayPal. If you guys don't know what PayPal is, basically it is just a very secure way to purchase things online where you're not typing in a physical card number where they can get into your bank account. I really hope that makes sense, but that is literally the only time I have ever bought off the Wish app. With that being said and out of the way, let's go ahead and begin. The very first item that I bought off Wish, this was maybe last September, so I've been buying from them for quite a long time, trying to build up enough of a review to actually give you guys to tell you if this app and this site is actually worth it. The clothing item that I got is this shirt right here. As you can see, it is a very loose wearing t-shirt, and as you can see on the front, it has all of the horror movie characters. So we have Scream, Jigsaw, Michael Myers, Freddy Krueger, Jason Voorhees, let's see, who do we have over here? Hannibal, and then on the back, yes, it's all the same thing. So again, we have like Hannibal Lecter's face over here, and then all of the same movie characters on the back. Now, someone had shared this with me on Instagram, and they said, oh my gosh, Bree, you would really, really like this shirt, and I found it on the Wish app. Now, again, I was very, very hesitant to try it because this shirt, I kid you not, you guys, was only $1. That is all I paid for this shirt, $1. That's it. It was shipped to me, and it arrived. And I was very, very cautious and very scared to purchase a shirt on an unknown site that I have never heard of before for only $1, but I took the risk, I bought it, and it did arrive. One thing about Wish that I will say also is that their shipping times are very, very long. I have ordered things and not received them until 2 months later. That's because everything is coming overseas. The Wish app is fairly popular, so they do have a very high demand in products. So you do have a very, very long wait time when you do order from the Wish app. Another thing is when I did receive the shirt, the picture that they had online was more crisp. It was a lot more sharp. When I got this one, the colors were a lot lighter, and as you can see, I don't know how well it's picking up on camera, but the pictures are a little bit more blurred than what they were in the picture. I was a little disappointed in that. However, this is easily one of my favorite shirts that I own. It is super cool. It fits nicely. It's not too thin, and it's not too thick. It kind of has like a silky feel to it, but at the same time it doesn't. Like, I hope that makes sense, but I really do enjoy the shirt. It is in a size small. You can get different sizes as well, and the fact that I only paid $1 for it, I really don't care if the pictures are a little more blurry in real life because you can very obviously tell who's on this shirt. Like, I just absolutely love it. I did have to wait about 1.5 months before I got this, so I ordered this in like July and I didn't get it till like September. So just kind of keep that in mind as well. The next 3 things I'm going to show you are ones that I absolutely love, and this is my main reason for going on the Wish app, and that is phone cases. The Wish app has hands down the best phone cases I have ever seen. And the reason why I say that is because my kind of phone cases are horror movie related, and you guys know I love horror movies, so the fact that I can get horror movie phone cases for my phone that are in really good shape, I'm obsessed. I'm hands down absolutely in love. So if you guys have seen my Samsung Galaxy S8 phone case collection, then you have already seen this one. This one is a Michael Myers Halloween phone case, and again, this is for the S8. I really only paid like $2 for this, and seriously, so worth the money, the little bit of money I should say, and very much worth the wait. It fits my phone really nicely. It is fairly sturdy for a $2 phone case. The next one that I got off the Wish app was this one right here, and this is Pinhead from Hellraiser. It is the one that I currently have on my phone right now, and it just looks like I do have a pop socket on here so you can't see his face entirely, but it's a really good picture of Pinhead. I love the way it looks on my phone. Another thing is I also get my pop sockets off of the Wish app as well. They are very, very good quality, literally only $1. If you go into like any other store, pop sockets are $9.99. And then the most recent phone case that I got that I'm super excited is this one right here. This is a rubbery type phone case, and this, as you can tell on the front right here, is Chucky, and it says Good Guys on the back. So this will definitely be the next one that I wear on my phone. I am so excited. I absolutely love going on there for phone cases. Another quick thing that I want to say about the Wish app is you can literally find anything on that app. It's not just, or website. It's not necessarily just an app. I'm pretty sure it's a website as well. But if you do have it on your phone, then it's the app. That's how I shop. I shop through the app, but I'm pretty sure you can go on a website as well. That's another thing, is you can literally find anything on the site, stuff for your car, for your phone, for your house, for your bedroom, for your bathroom, anything that you can imagine that you need for your life or your house or your car or your pets, anything of that sort. I can almost guarantee that the Wish app will have it. Next couple things I want to show you are accessories. You guys know I really do enjoy wearing sunglasses. I love all kinds of different sunglasses, or maybe you don't know that. I like sunglasses. Anyway, so I was going on the Wish app, just kind of browsing, and I saw these sunglasses, and you guys remember when those like really mirrored reflective sunglasses were in trend, maybe about like a year ago or so? I have gold ones, I have silver ones, and I have black ones, and I went on the Wish app and I was just browsing, and I saw the red ones. Here's what they look like. They are a little bit dirty, so I'm sorry about that, but they just look like this, and they look so good. They're kind of like that cat shape, as you can tell right here on the corners, and just like, I don't know, I just really like it. It has like the red reflective lenses, and through the lenses everything looks like a blue tone, but I can see really well with them. Like, it's not like too dark under here, and I just really, really like these. The only downfall is when I received them, I don't know how well you would be able to see, but the ear part was very, very large, and these would fall off my face constantly. However, I did learn a really, really cool trick, and that is if you run this part of the sunglass under hot, hot water, you can bend them to shape so they will fit your head. So that's what I did, and as you can see, they aren't going anywhere. And these were only $1. The next thing that I got is a necklace, and this is one that I wore all the time when I got it in the mail. I was so excited. Again, this was one of the very first purchases that I made on the Wish app, and it is just this little dainty silver chain, and then on the end of it, it has the initial B with a heart. My name is BreeAnn, you know, it's in my YouTube name, so that is why I got this necklace. I just thought it was really super cute, so I decided to pick it up. You guys know I have been a huge fan of necklaces for a while. I really like the kind of dainty look of necklaces. I always have. Now, since I have worn this one a lot, this was only $1, so it's not like it's made of anything, you know, super heavy duty. But since I literally wore this one day, night, shower, not in the shower, it has tarnished quite a bit on the back, but that's kind of what you expect with, like, you know, really cheap necklaces, especially if you are wearing them like, you know, swimming or at the beach or in the shower, things like that. They are going to tarnish. However, the front of it, as you can see, is still in really, really good shape. The next two things I want to show you guys are more revolved around filming and things like that. That's another really cool thing too, is if you're someone who wants to start your own YouTube channel and you want to get some things for your camera, like some accessories, the Wish app is also a really good place for that. I recently got this little pink holder right here. holder. Now before I had this, I was literally just storing my memory cards in Tupperware, okay? I am a YouTuber with over 200,000 subscribers, and I was putting my memory cards in Tupperware and storing them that way. Not really safe. They could very easily get damaged that way, so I went on the Wish app and I tried to find something that would be more appropriate for my memory cards, and that's where I found this guy. $1, you can choose many different colors, and as you can see, it is a memory card holder. So now I have the perfect place to store all of my memory cards with tons of room to spare. Really sturdy, it fits all my memory cards. If you have memory cards that are super large, they have really large compartments in the back. The next thing that I got is actually an accessory for my camera. Now, the kind of camera I have is the Canon DSLR EOS Rebel T3i. So it's more of an older model, but it is still a really good camera to film with. It's a camera that I've been filming with for the last 4 years. I absolutely love it, no complaints about it. I've gotten several different lenses for my camera. I love Canons for filming. So I really needed something to kind of help me take pictures without pressing the button or messing with the timer. So I was doing some research on the Wish app and I found this little guy, which is actually plugged into my camera right now. And what this is, this plugs into your Canon camera in the little it's off to the side. I don't know, it's hard to describe, but it'll be on the left side of your camera. And basically what this does is you plug it into your camera, and I'll show you, and you can focus with it. Like that. So now I'm perfectly in focus. This I really needed for one of the new lenses that I got. This little guy right here. This is a Canon EF lens 50 milliliter lens. Very zoomed in, very beautiful quality. I love that lens, but for me to film with that, I had to sit literally like 5 feet away from the camera, and I needed something that was going to help me focus, something that was going to help me take pictures, and that's what this little guy does right here. You simply plug it into your camera, hold it down. You can use it while you're filming to keep you in focus. You can also use it in picture mode to help you take pictures. So I could be like way back here doing this and take a picture, you know what I'm saying? Quick disclaimer, I just want to say this lens that I just showed you was not bought off the Wish app. This cost me about $150 on Amazon, so just kind of keep that in mind. No lenses on the Wish app, okay? Just accessories. The next item that I got off the Wish app is another clothing item, and this one is definitely more of like a sexier type clothing item, or something that you would wear like in the bedroom or underneath the tank top, which is what I've been doing a lot with it. It's very hard to get untangled, but basically, let me just try to get it like untangled here. So I'm trying to show you the best way possible. Hopefully you can see that okay, but basically what this little stringy thingy is what I like to call a boob corset. Now, if you've never heard of a boob corset before, basically you wear this underneath all your clothes, you know, underneath your bra, and it just kind of goes like this around your chest. And this little piece that's hanging down right here, this goes up and around your neck. If you guys have seen, actually let me pull up a picture really quick of me wearing it. I wore it to a concert underneath the tank top, and it looked so freaking hot. If you want to spice things up in the bedroom, if you have a significant other, just wear that to bed. It makes your boobies look so freaking good. I love it. And literally, you guys, $1. $1 is all that costed me, and you can get all different sorts of styles, you can get different sizes. I of course got a small because I am very flat chested, but if you're someone who has bigger boobies, you can get a medium or a large. Here's the picture that I'm talking about. It is on my Instagram. Go follow me, BreeAnn Barbie. It's down in the description box. As you can see, it just looks so freaking good underneath tank tops. Like, it's just a great way to like accessorize your outfit. I absolutely love it. Right, and then the very last thing that I want to show you guys is something that I use in my beauty room, and something that would be really good for your bathroom, and that is a little Q-tip holder. Literally nothing exciting. This was like one of the last purchases I made on Wish, because every time I'm filming a makeup look in my filming room and I'm filming with it, I always find myself running to the bathroom for Q-tips to fix like my lipstick or eye makeup or whatever. So I really needed one of these for my beauty room, so I could kind of just easily have Q-tips at my disposal, so I could quickly just clean up messes, all that good stuff. So it's just a little plastic piece that unloads at the top like that, and you just load it up with Q-tips or cotton balls or whatever, and you just put the little top back on like that, and you're good to go. And then there's like a little opening right here that you can just easily dip in and grab a Q-tips. Okay guys, so that is everything that I have for my very first ever Wish haul / review video. I hope I gave you guys enough information about the app and the site, and really hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what your personal thoughts are on the Wish app down in the comments. I would love to know what you guys think of it. Have you had any bad experiences? Have you had good experiences? Let me know. Me personally, I have never ever had a bad experience on the Wish app. I have always received every single order that I got from the app. They never took more money out than they were supposed to. Like, I've just had a really good experience, and I'm personally a huge fan of the Wish app. So let me know your thoughts down below. I would love to know. Make sure to also give a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to go down and subscribe to my channel. But as always, I will see you guys very soon in my next video. I love you guys. Bye! And there goes my phone.